Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume of this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sounds and vibration. Here you will set the ringtone volume panel, and now just to change the ringtone volume you should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side, and by this way we can change our device ringtone volume. Also, we got the second way how we can do that, just by using the volume buttons here on the left side of the device. But first you just be sure that here in the advanced section and in volume button function you have selected the ringtone volume, not the media, and just switch it if you got selected the media. And after that, just by press the up or down volume button. By this way we can also change our device ringtone volume, and also we can just swipe it with our finger here to the up or to the down manually. So that's it, that's how to change ringtone volume of our Oppo Reno 7. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.